Hello and welcome to the discourse. Let us talk about the articles a little more. The articles are a, an, and the. A or an are known as the indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. The is the definite article. Now since the start we are taught that this article, this indefinite article A is pronounced as a. The sound a. Similarly, this definite article the is pronounced as the with the sound a. However, it is not so in all cases, and in many cases we pronounce this article, this definite article as the with the sound the. In many cases we pronounce it as the, and in some other cases we pronounce it as the. So when should we pronounce it as the and when should we pronounce it as the? The difference is because of the sound of the beginning of the next word. If the sound of the beginning of the next word is a vowel, if it is a vowel sound, then we pronounce it as the. And if the sound of the beginning of the next word is consonant, then we pronounce it as the. That is, with a consonant sound, we pronounce this definite article as the. And with a vowel sound, we pronounce this definite article as the. Let us see some examples. The boy. Why? Because the beginning sound of this next word is b, which is a consonant sound. Again, the umbrella. In this case, the beginning sound of the next word is a vowel sound. Hence, we will pronounce this article as the. The umbrella, the boy, the football, the university, the higher, the I. Why? Because however the next word is starting with H, but the beginning sound is I, which is a vowel sound. Hence, we will say it as the I. We will pronunciate this article as the. But in this case, the university, while the second word is starting with U, which is a vowel word, but the beginning sound of this word is not a vowel. Hence, we will say it as the university. We will not say the university. We will say the university. The university, the higher. The boy, the umbrella. We use the if the next word is beginning with a vowel sound, and we use the if the next word is beginning with a consonant sound. Now this is the case of the definite article, but same difference is also in the indefinite article. In the indefinite article, if the beginning of the next word is a vowel sound, then we will use an umbrella, an iron. But if the beginning of the next word is a consonant sound, then we will use a boy, a football, a university. So it should be clear that we use a and the if the next word is beginning with a consonant sound, and we use and the if the next word is beginning with a vowel sound. So just like there are two indefinite articles a or an, there are two definite articles the and the. The comes when the beginning of the next word is a vowel sound, and the comes when the beginning of the next word is a consonant sound. Apart from these different pronunciation of the, there is another pronunciation which is the emphatic the. Now when we use emphatic the, then we pronunciate it as the. Whenever we use the in emphatic cases, then we pronunciate it as the. As for example, which horse won the race? Answer is the white horse won the race. Now white is beginning with a consonant sound. Still we are pronunciating as the white. Why? Because here the is used in emphatic way. We are emphasizing on white horse. Hence we will pronunciate it as the white horse. So there can be three different pronunciation of the same article. If the beginning of the next word is consonant sound, then the pronunciation is the. If the next word is beginning with the vowel sound, then the pronunciation is the. And if we are using the in emphatic way, then the pronunciation will be the. So this was all about the different pronunciation of the definite article. It was also to explain why we use a and n in different cases. We use a when the next word is beginning with a consonant sound, and we use n when the next word is beginning with a vowel sound. Similarly, we use the when the next word is beginning with a consonant sound, and we use the when the next word is beginning with a vowel sound. So this is the similarity between definite article and indefinite article. There are two ways of using definite articles and indefinite articles, and both different ways are dependent on the beginning of the sound of the next word. If the sound is vowel, then we will use n or the, and if the sound is consonant, then we will use a or the. Please like this video and please subscribe to the discourse. Thanks.